All right, y'all. Look, got these LED side markers. This one I had my hand go for the back. Then I got another two for the front. See the difference? These mugs blacked out, tinted out, smoked out, however you want to look at it. Finna get this red and this amber up off of here. You dig? Now, I done already popped one of them out. I didn't record, but you ain't gotta do nothing but go up under here, pop it out. I mean, it's pretty simple. This a little lock right here. You unlock this joint, pull that up, unlock it like so, then that disconnect. Connect the other one on and pop it right back in. So, I'm about to do all four of these, hopefully. I think the front might be a little bit more difficult. I don't see me getting up under there, really. Like, no, ain't no just getting up under there like how I did the back, so I don't know. Hopefully I can slide in through the hood, some shit like that. But we gonna see, y'all. All right, got one of them off. And that one was kind of difficult to come off too. But now I'm just finna go on and clean this up a little bit because it's quite dirty back here. So, while I got it off, might as well go ahead and clean him up. Then just take this one, pop it on there. Shit, you win the game. I'm sure that would have looked like afterwards. Got them in there, so you click. That look better already. Just cause it's black, you know, there's a whole lot of blackness going on this car, so we're gonna stick to that trend. Like I said, to get them out, just slide through here. Boom, pop them out. Then you slide them this way, just like that. That's the back though. The back seems to be way more simpler than the front. So boom, pull this little red lock up. I'm gonna use this screwdriver. Get him up off of there. He like to play crazy to come when it's time to come off. God damn. Boom. Just like the other side, clean him up. So, clip him right on. Hit that lock. Slide him back on like so. Now for the front. At least on the right side, it might not be too difficult. I just had to pop this off and be able to see what's going on down there. And you can kind of see, the side marker, so it shouldn't be too difficult to pop out. But on this side, I might have to take the intake off. Hope I don't, but I might. So we're gonna see how that go. So boom, got him popped out. Slide him out of there. Front one in kind of good. Damn, you don't want to be changed. Well, damn. Boom. there that go. Same process. A lock. You always want to be difficult when coming off. Hit him with the screwdriver. Clean him up a little bit. Oh. So again, boom. Pop this little plastic piece off. Now, I can already see this is gonna be a problem already. But, look at that supercharger. He is looking nice. So, had to go grab the tool set, the socket wrench set, and looks like the air intake will have to come off. Be back in a second. Well, taking off the air box and doing all that didn't work, so I had to pop all these rivets off. Well, these rivets, and I actually looks like I broke one, but we got that off. Got the thing, got the side marker popped out. So we're gonna go on ahead and get him up out of there. Pop this lock. Boom. Clean them off a little bit like so. Boom. All right, y'all. This is what it look like all done. Man, that look way better already. Just by being black instead of red and yellow. I also changed a few other things while I was at it. Here go the old ones. I changed these. These are the door lights. These little right here. And I changed the license plate light. So, finna show y'all what that look like all lit up. Boom, look at that. Nice and bright too. Boom, these the door lights I put in. Got that motherfucker kidnapped. Damn. That look good. Then I put this L.E.D license plate light on here. Look how bright it is though. Got the whole ground lit up right here. I guess rivets can't be reused, they have to be replaced. So those 3 rivets I took off to get to this one, I'm gonna have to stop by a shop and grab some more and get those put back on. But man, that look good. This camera ain't really doing it no justice, but it look good though. Next, I'll be putting these on. I don't know, I ain't decided if I'm gonna do it or I'm gonna take it to a shop or something, let them do it. But these are the newer model Hellcat emblems. This is what the emblem look like that's on the car now. And this is the ones I'm gonna be putting on. So basically the difference is, see how these black with like a chrome silver outlining? These are black at the base with a silver outline, and where you see red, that ain't number 3M tape. That's where you will see like the color of the car back there. Like it won't be this one big solid piece like this. So I think it'll look better, but yeah, that's what I'm doing next. Here's what it looked like outside the garage during the day. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah, man, that's it for this video. You know, I just want to do that, get that out the way. Share y'all that ain't necessarily hard, cause y'all know I ain't no mechanic or nothing, you know. I don't too much work on no cars, but it's pretty simple, man. Hope this video help somebody out, but that thing look good. But yeah, I'm out of here, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment if you want to. Please subscribe, share the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.